to be making yogurt for the first time ever today, and I'm going to do it using Lehman's Yogotherm. The Yogotherm Incubator doesn't require any electricity to work. Just put the yogurt in the incubator, let it sit on your countertop for 4 to 5 hours, check it, and then let it sit for another hour or 2. The instructions say not to let it sit for more than 7 or 8 hours. I've gathered the things that I need. I have milk, I have my culture, a pan, and the thermometer. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and measure out my milk. It says 2 liters, so I'll pour about 8 cups of milk into this pan. Now I'll heat this on the stovetop, stirring frequently until it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll use this thermometer to make sure I don't go over. So my milk has reached 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to let it cool until it gets between 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the milk has cooled to the appropriate temperature, I'm going to add my culture, and then we'll put it in the incubator. Lehman's also sells cultures, and you can buy cultures to make buttermilk and sour cream, and those can be made in your Yogotherm incubator. Pour it in the inner container. And I'll put the lid on. And place it in the styrofoam. We'll put the lid on. And we're going to leave it on the counter for 4 to 5 hours. Try to avoid bumping it or moving it, as it could hinder the fermentation process. After waiting 7 to 8 hours, my yogurt was ready, but I decided to place it in the fridge overnight. So I put it in an airtight container to store it. Let's get it out of the fridge. Yogurt! I am really happy with how this yogurt has turned out. And remember, this is unsweetened yogurt, so you can use it in recipes as is, or if you're like me and you want to eat it for breakfast, you can add some granola, coconut, chocolate chips, fruit. I've got some honey here to sweeten it up a little bit. However you choose to eat it, it'll taste even better knowing that you made it yourself. I highly recommend the Yogotherm Yogurt Maker. It makes making yogurt simple.